all fall. We all rise again. Luma looked around. The flowers were closing. Mushrooms curled in. Ivy wrapped tightly, and even old roots stood still, silent but calm. So she did what the others were doing. She stopped stretching, let go of her one leaf, and curled inward. And as snow gently began to fall, the forest went quiet. When spring returned, the sun peaked higher, and warmth kissed the soil once more. Luma stirred. A new leaf, brighter and bigger than before, unfurled. Around her, daisy bloomed, lily waved her petals, and Milo bounced in the damp earth. Luma looked up at Old Root and smiled. I get it now. Moral of the story. Change is part of life. Just like the forest, we grow when we learn to let go, rest, and trust that brighter days will return.